Hi. So on this article now, we'll be discussing about percent complete. So this is one of the interesting features of ServiceNow in terms of reporting capability. And as you can see on this the picture, right, it shows the progress of the completion of a particular activity. Now, as you scroll down, right, so as you navigate to the table, you could add a field right below, which is type percent complete, right? So it's quite straightforward. Once you manage to add it in percent complete in the field, one of the table, then automatically the object or the type will automatically give you that capability. And as we also scroll down, it also gives you that feature, right? So you can also add it like in a field in a list, right? Going to the upper right, so where there's a personalized list, and basically add it, right? Dragging it from the left to the right, and it will also give you that progress bar, right? So on this sample here, you'll see that the number basically appears, right? And as we move forward in the list view, right? So at the top is a form view, and the list view basically gives you that bar result. So this is very helpful for visual people, right? Like managers and to name a few, as a persona is giving you that visibility, right, of a completion, right? So from there you could relate it probably an SLA notification, prioritize it, and so on. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.